So we are back with another episode of Unbox Remedy. My name is Blake, and today we are going to be going over the new tablet from Samsung, the Galaxy Tab A. So if you want to see more videos of awesome unboxings of cool products, and also receive notifications of future giveaways and live streams, I suggest that you subscribe now, click the little bell button, so that way you can be notified. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing here. I'm super stoked about this. I like the way this box looks, guys. It feels good, it looks smooth. Oh wow, that's nice. So let's get rid of that. Here we are. We got the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. I like the weight. It feels solid. It feels good. Does not feel like a piece of plastic, you know, like some tablets do. Some tablets are just not very physically appealing, you know. We got the quick start guide. Not a huge fan of that. We got, it comes with a micro SD card, 16 gigabytes. That's pretty cool. So it's probably gonna have a SD card slot for you to have extra memory, which is pretty big. So you can get like a 128 gigabyte micro SD card for like $30 at Walmart. I'll put the link below to a micro SD card that's decently priced for you guys. So we got that. We got the wall plug, so you can charge it, I imagine. And here we are with the charging cord. Let's get this out of here. So it's a micro USB, which seems to be a commonly used charging port now. So there's that. This is what you get in the box, guys. But let's focus on this now. Let's focus on the real reason you guys are watching this show. Okay, so let's pull this out of here. Wow, guys, look at that. This looks awesome. It's nice and it's nice and weighty. Okay, all right, I'm gonna point out one thing that I do not like right off the bat. Is I do not like the way this looks right here on the outside. I don't like that it looks like a plate that was slapped on there with all the hardware. For some reason it makes it look a little bit more plasticky, like it's just a bunch of different pieces screwed together. I'm not a big fan of lots of pieces, because if you were to drop it, you never know what's gonna happen. You know, there's a lot of things that can go wrong. But it feels good, like it feels like it's a high quality piece of machinery. So you got here the volume and the power button here. You've got here on the bottom the charging port, the micro USB with the speaker right here. I don't understand why there's not a speaker on this side. I am a fan of symmetry, so this kind of bugs me a little bit, but I'm sure it's okay. You can listen to your music just fine, I'm sure. Let's see here on the sides. All right, so here's the little port that you can stick your micro SD card in there for extra memory. It comes with standard 6 gigabyte. No, not 6 gigabyte. It comes with 16 gigabytes just in the hard drive of this tablet. So you can store up to 16 gigabytes worth of games or apps or whatever the heck you want, movies. I'm not gonna lie, I like the way the setup is. It seems simple. I am fairly impressed with this machine. It is really responsive, it's quick, it loads fast. Let's see that, I just opened up PowerPoint. That did not take very much time for that to open up. I'm a fan of this piece of equipment. It does the job. It's small and it's portable, so you can take it anywhere and not feel like you have to bring around your backpack to throw it in. On top of it being affordable, it's durable, it's usable. I'm a fan of this. I think I might keep it. Should I keep it? Should I keep it? I'm a fan of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, guys. It's a 10-inch display, so it's got a good screen size. It's not small enough to be considered like a phone, but it's also not huge and weighty to be a desktop computer. It's something that you can take with you. If you're a parent and you're looking to get something for your kids so they can just mess around and play on and have access to the internet, you are looking to purchase something similar to this. I'm gonna have the link below in the description for you to be able to look at this on Amazon and purchase it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.